Hi everybody, this is Ben with WTI. I'm looking forward to telling you my thoughts on the Everlasting Comfort Under Desk Memory Foam Foot Cushion. If you're like me and you spend a lot of time in your home office or even in an office at work, sometimes it can take a toll on your body. But having this cushion footrest that can slide right underneath your desk has made my time here a little more bearable. Here are some things I like about it. Let's first talk about how soft this is. This is memory foam, and it's really very, very comfortable. It has a nice velvety finish, which is good on bare feet if that's how you like to roll. It has this textured material on the bottom to keep it in place. However, other than just leaving it like this for simple foot resting, you can flip it over and you can use it as a rocking motion, which is kind of nice when you get a little bit bored. On top of that, it also has, you can see a zipper here. You can take the liner off and throw it in the washing machine and have it nice and clean. In summary, if you spend a lot of time in front of a desk, whether at home or in the office or in your home office, I highly recommend the Everlasting Comfort Memory Foam Under Desk Footrest. It's going to make your time there more comfortable. It's well made, and like every other Everlasting Comfort product, it's a good value. And that's my point of view.